Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. I finally upgraded to the iPhone 12 Pro Max and I am so excited for you guys to see what I got. I am in love. It looks like the white one, but it's actually the gold one. So this is the power adapter. I did have to buy this separately. It does not come with the phone. So just wanted to let you guys know, just so you guys are prepared in case you end up getting this iPhone. Just look at how beautiful this phone looks. I am so excited that I finally upgraded to this phone. I used to have the iPhone, the XX Max, And I finally got this one and I am obsessed. I would definitely recommend anyone to get this iPhone. It is beautiful. So I'm comparing it with my daughter's iPad Touch. Don't mind the screen. Look at how big this phone is. Oh my god. I am in love. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next one.